Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video we will learn how to generate research paper for academic purposes with the help of ChatGPT. So, let's start. Okay, first open your OpenAI account. Okay, for example, I have a particular topic on that which I want research paper. That is the impact of social media on youth. Okay. Now, the first thing prompt that I want to ask the ChatGPT is to give a general introduction for this specific topic. Okay. Now type here. Write introduction for the topic. Impact of social media on youth. Simply press enter. Okay. Now you can see the ChatGPT is generating the introduction section for this specific topic. Just wait for few seconds. You can see our introduction section is ready. Okay, the second thing is, after the introduction section, I need the ChatGPT to give a general perfect problem statement on this particular topic. Just command. Give me a problem statement on above topic. Now press enter. You can see, the ChatGPT is providing you a perfect piece of problem statement for my research paper. Okay, the next step is, research hypotheses or research questions on this topic. So, type, give me most important research question on above topic. Now, you can see that the ChatGPT is providing us to writing the most important research question on the research hypotheses in this topic. While you will have to select those research hypotheses or research questions that are most relevant to your study. Okay, after the research question, ask about the research objective. So, type, suggest research objective for above research question. You can see the ChatGPT is generating a great deal of the research objectives relevant to your research topic. Okay, now we will have to choose those research objectives that matches to your research question or hypothesis. Okay, next, we want significance of the study, so, I just type, give concise significance of the study on above topic. You can see, the ChatGPT is providing you a perfect piece of significance of the study on your required topic. Okay, next, after the research objectives, I want the ChatGPT to give a latest literature review on this topic which we need. So, the one thing you have to do carefully, that while asking the ChatGPT for generating the literature review, it might generate some authentic research references. So, you need to verify those references. So, command, give latest literature review on above topic. Okay. The ChatGPT is providing you literature review which you want. Okay, after the literature review, the final step that is I'm going to ask to ChatGPT to suggest the methodology section of this particular topic, as we know that the research methodology section will give us the research approaches or the sampling technique to data collection. Okay, type, help me to formulate research methodology for above topic. ChatGPT will help you to generate the overall structure of research methodology. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.